wooden giraffes. Chang. But we found something better than Chang. It's a wooden pufferfish. So it is Friday, February the 19th, 2018. Thought I'd give you a little bit of a view from the top of Central Festival. And you can just about see Kolan in the distance, a little bit smoggy, loads of people doing the parasailing as well. Just starting to cloud over just a little bit, getting a bit hazy. Now let's head down to Beach Road, see what's going on down there. People have been asking me, do I wear eyeliner or guyliner? No, I don't. I just have naturally luscious lashes. I can't help it, guys. I've got the grey hair, but I've got the luscious lashes to make up for it. And here we are then. We're on Beach Road, in the sunshine, on a really, really nice, hot February day. Here in my favourite city in the whole wide world. So if you are a regular subscriber and you've watched for ages, then you will know that I don't often feature Pattaya Beach. And I probably should really, even though it does get a bit windy down here and you get the wind noise. But it's a perfectly functional beach. It's just not amazing because it's quite thin, and you certainly don't want to be swimming in the sea in this part of the beach, but if you're on the beach you get a really, really nice view of North Pattaya up to Nuklua, and all the way down here towards Walking Street. But it is windy. So perhaps I'll live to fight another day and try it again. I was chatting to a subscriber the other day who has been fortunate enough to stay in this place. This is the Wave Hotel. And you could almost imagine you're on Miami Beach rather than a Pattaya Beach here in Thailand. Apparently it's a 5-star hotel. And the service, he said, was second to none. So maybe one day when I'm rich, I'll be able to stay here. It certainly looks very, very nice though. It's got cool cabanas, which is always a sign of a nice place. The Cadillac Cafe and Bar. And it's all in a almost turquoise, bright turquoise colour. The Wave Hotel. So if, like me, you like to stay around Soi Diana, Soi Buakhao, Soi LK Metro area, and you also like coming for a stroll along the beach, what we used to do is we used to nip through the air-conditioned Mike Shopping Mall. Well, they're doing that up, so you can't do that anymore. You can't get through it. So I suggest, if you're coming back to LK Metro area, have a look at this, Tipp Plaza. Now, this place has changed considerably in the last year or so, because when they decided to knock the crap out of Mike Shopping Mall, the first thing they knocked the crap out of was Art Street. And down Art Street there was lots of canvas shops and lots of tattoo shops as well, and a lot of them have relocated into here. And it's quite an odd scenario here. So it starts off with like a Subway and a 7-Eleven in this little open air bit, and then we go undercover, which we're about to do now, where there's lots of electronic goods, and this place, a great big gold karaoke microphone. How bling! Go on then. No? Batteries aren't working. God damn it. So yeah, you've got this bit here, which is almost like a food court, seafood restaurant, and Lots of usual knick-knack market shops around the side of it, and then once we move through this undercover area, you get to a lot of the tattoo shops and art shops which used to be on Art Street. So unfortunately it's no longer a decent air-conditioned option to get a blast of aircon before you have to walk all the way down the steaming hot Soi Diana, but it is perfectly pleasant. So yeah, so you can either walk along the street like I'm going to do, or inside the undercover bit of Tipp Plaza there, and it leads you back out onto Second Road, and then if you look to the right, we should be able to see Kiss Food on the other side of the road, probably about 100 yards or so down, and that's the way back down through the building zone that is Soi Diana. So yeah, plenty of tattoo shops both inside and outside of this bit, and you've got those art shops like this one here where they'll draw you pictures of whatever you want. You can either sit for a portrait or you can give them a photo and they will work their magic. How are you today? So I've now exhausted all the tie-day Fridays from the October trip, so I really need to get cracking on making some more to last me through the summer on this channel. Nearly had a disaster there, but not quite. Disaster averted. So yeah, it's a pretty pleasant walk. Just walking along here, but it is quite hot today. So with a bit of luck, my room will be cleaned and I'll be able to jump in the shower. But maybe before I do jump in the shower and get it all messed up again, I'll give you a room tour of the guest house rather than hotel that I'm staying in this time. It's not the Apex Hotel, which has rooms for 650 baht. It's very proud of their breakfast at 150. I presume they are. Their sign's big enough. So yeah, it leads you out at pretty much the entrance to the base condo. Now, if you are staying at the base, you will know this, but there is no way through. If you want to get down to LK Metro, probably the easiest way would be to walk through the base condo area, but you can't. So if you are staying at the base condo, you may have a view over LK Metro and all the lights and all the action down there, but to get to it, you've got to walk from the base, which is there. There's only one way through currently, and that is to walk all the way here to Second Road, across and down again. Maybe at some stage they will stick in a route where you can just walk through to Diana or LK, but as far as I'm aware, you can't as yet. If you want to find out 100% whether you can or can't, then there is another YouTuber called NDTVI, Nick Dean, and he's got a place in the base. So he's the man to watch for all your base condo news. Also, he travels all around Thailand. I really like his channel as well, and he's a Stoke City fan. So it's a treble whammy of goodness there. So make sure you check out his channel. Capital N, capital D, capital T, capital V, and lowercase I. Search for that, and you will find Nick's channel. Let's see if we can get across quickly. And I think we can. and we're now at Kiss Foods, which means this little 13 here means we are back on Soi Diana, which is a good place to stop the vlog. Thank you for watching this rather garbled walk and talk, and see you again soon. Vlog off!